ツカレーってすごく不思議な食べ物だと思うんですけど、カレーが100美味しいとしてカツが100美味しいとするじゃないですか。でカツカレーにしたら300美味しいんですよ。今日はね、そんな不思議な食べ物カツカレーを食べに行こうと思います。じゃあ行ってみよう。
I'm in curry shop Marupaso. It's about a 10 minutes drive from Morioka station. Unlike many restaurants in the busy Honcho-dori area, this little place has a free parking lot behind the building. There's room for about 5 cars. When I open the door, a gentle aroma of spices greets me. The warm glow of the light feels nostalgic. It's got the charm of old Japanese coffee shop. The menu offers all kinds of curry, meat, fried dishes, fish. The prices are very reasonable. This is a place that feels close to everyday life. You can choose your spice level after 20 times. Although it almost makes me want to try it. Since it opened, the recipe has saved the same 17 spices. Carefully blended, it feels a little like herbal cooking, and a little like a comforting home cooked meal. Today, while wandering around Morioka, and stopped by in search of a warm plate of food. I ordered the Katsu curry. The freshly fried cutlet makes light, crisp sound. Steam rises, carrying the scent of spices. The curry sauce is smooth, glossy.
いただきます。
The first bite is gentle, then warm slowly spread. Complex, yet somehow familiar. Flavors that haven't changed for years might touch something deep in our memories. Traveling food is exciting, of course, but sometimes it's just as important to pass. I can feel my body warming from the inside. It tastes like the start of spring in Morioka. If you want to explore this area after your meal, walk a little north along Honcho-dori. Morioka Castle Ruins Park and Sakurayama Shrine offer the charm of a historic townscape. This scenery is perfect for those seeking quiet moments, a journey that blends journey into the town. Especially in early spring, when the air is still cool, but the light starts of suffering. There are no flashy signs, no long line, but they are standing still, rising from the plate, and a recipe that has been carefully preserved. The memory of those spices makes my step feel lighter, as if I could keep walking forever. I hope to see you again, somewhere along that journey.